my goodness, y'all. I think I might be onto something. Yeah, these are cute, aren't they? They'll be $2, but she's not getting them.
Yeah, I missed you. I ain't seen you in a while. Yeah, I understand you nervous. Well, I'll just look around, see what else I
Well, hi y'all. How y'all doing today? Today is a great day. So, as you're saying, yes, she did visit one of the bins, and I didn't really get much because y'all already know she really don't need anything, right? So anyway, I'll just probably show y'all later because it's really early in the day. I'll show you guys later what I did find. I only found like 2 things, and 2 of the things I was looking for. So that worked out for me. What else is going on? I think that's about it, y'all. Today is, wow, wait a minute, y'all. The days are going by so quick. Today is Thursday, July, it might be the 16th, I think it's the 16th, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in, show you guys a little taste of the little bin store or whatever, where I get like most of my blessings and stuff like that, you know, for the far as the home and situation. So yeah, how you guys been doing? Let me know in the comments. Have you been having a great life, living a good life, being positive, being grateful, being blessed? Well, I know you're blessed because you're watching the channel, because without his blessing you won't be watching anything. So yeah, I will probably see you guys a little later. I'm headed to work right now. So you guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you all for your lovely comments, support here on this channel. Thumbs this video, y'all. Watch as much ads as you can. Share the channel. I got a few more, matter of fact, I got 22 new subscribers. So welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for coming along this my journey, my simple life journey. Yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. All right, guys, I decided to do something different for you guys today. So I am currently like at a real beautiful park. It's around 4:30. People just getting off work. Nobody's here yet but me. But I just wanted to show you guys a haul. If you look behind me, enjoy the views, but still pay attention, okay? Enjoy the water that's behind me that's flowing down the road and the beautiful rocks there. But I'm going to show you a haul, guys. I just said, let me just come here. Got me some water. I got some roasted green pepper chips, naturally and artificially flavored. They taste really good, y'all, and they're spicy. But I said, let me come here, sit down, chit chat with you guys, and show y'all my haul that I hauled earlier this morning. If you're wondering, the weather here, it's like 86 degrees. It's very humid, but it's very windy, and we are expecting rain. So good. So, you guys, I only found 2 things, really. I wasn't really going to look for anything. I just was going to look because I do know I think I reminded y'all, I was telling you guys, or mentioning to you guys, not telling you, but mentioning to you guys that I wanted some more of those gold frames. So I can complete my gallery wall. Yeah. So I'm gonna go here. Y'all gonna hear traffic, y'all gonna hear cars. Y'all gonna hear, probably gonna see people or whatever, or they probably gonna be looking at me to see what I'm doing, which you need to be minding your own business. But anyway, let's get into this haul. Like I said, I only got 2 things. So guys, I did get, put my keys in here. I did get pick up this because this is the terracotta bottom part of a plant pot. So y'all know I got that terracotta pot that's in the family room that I put my ZZ in. So I need this to go with it because it'll be a set because it's the same color. These were only 50 cents. You could buy the case, they said, for $10, which I looked in the case, some of them was broken. So I took the broken ones out so a person wouldn't think like, oh, these are not broke, and buy the whole thing and then you can't return it. So yeah, I got this. And I also picked up, you guys should have known what else I picked up. I did pick up these beautiful, oh my gosh, my paper blew. I'm gonna need that. I'll get it when I get off with you guys. But I did pick up these. These are so pretty, guys. Look, if you guys don't remember, I have a clear, beautiful one in the bathroom with the black top. I wanted 2 of the same kind, but these are, look at that, y'all. Look how beautiful those are. These were $2 for both of them together. So I paid $2. No, they don't have tops. So what I'm gonna probably do is go to Hobby Lobby and see if I can find me a package of black metal tops. And then I will put these in the bathroom. So the one that's in the bathroom now with that black top that's clear with that really nice frosted, like 25% of it is like frosted, that will go in the kitchen. And I'll just put both of these in the bathroom. So this will be lotion and soap. So guys, yeah, that is all I hauled. And I don't know who these are by, but as you can tell inside of the box where the 2 little things are, they're missing the pieces. I kept saying if I opened the box or lifted the foam up, hopefully they will be in there, but nope, they were not. And it's okay. But yeah, that is what I hauled, y'all. That was what I hauled this morning. And yeah, so I will probably see you guys. I don't think this video is really that long, but I will see you guys I'll probably see you guys, let me see, later on. If not, then this is probably going to be the end of video, the end of this vlog, but I will also include another piece of another vlog. And before I leave here, I'll show you guys a little view of the little area that I'm at so you can get a little taste of your own, okay? Don't forget, guys, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Thank you, Silver Fastanisha. I just wanted to shout you out. On my Instagram, you ended what I wanted you to do. You did exactly what I wanted you to do. So shout out to the Silver Fastanista. Thank you for being here. God bless you all. I'll see you in another video. But like I said, don't leave because I'm going to show y'all a little bit of clips of this, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay? right, y'all, we are back. So I'm gonna make this really, really quick, but I wasn't gonna come back, but somebody brought it to my attention through an email that some of y'all be on here clowning these comments. Now, let me go ahead. We're gonna get ready to make us some real peppermint water. Well, it's gonna be tea, and I'll show y'all what tea I picked up. So yeah, somebody brought it to my attention through email that I guess some of you guys, I don't know, are clowning in the comments, and I just would like to say, y'all, this is a real life channel. My channel is simple, natural black life. I am a simple woman. This is not what is it, Housewives of Atlanta. This ain't the cackling channel. This ain't the gossiping channel. This ain't the talk about people channel. I don't like cackling women. I do not like that. I was raised that way. I can't handle it. But yeah, this is a really nice channel that most people love to come to because it's positive, okay? Positive affirmations every day. I like to clown from time to time. You know what I'm saying? Like, can you see me? You know, just adding little touches of part of me. I am a funny, happy-go-lucky person. I like my vibrations to be on a high. I don't like them low. When I feel like it's low, I gotta go. Nobody has time for that. Nobody has time for that. So anyway, guys, back to what I was saying. I got some real peppermint out of the yard by the patio. I'll show you guys because I got some put away right now. Well, I got some in the pile that I cut for my girlfriend and her husband. Her husband loves loves the peppermint. And I got when I picked up the chips, I got some wild raspberry hibiscus tea. So I'm going to be adding that to this, and I'm going to set it outside so I can have me a nice cup of tea. But yeah, guys, hold the line real quick, and I'm going to go and get the other thing so I can show y'all what it looked like if you guys forgot and if you're new here. So just hold the line and I'll come back. All right, guys, I'm back. So this is from the bathroom. So this is the one I would like to put. I'm gonna put this one in the kitchen. I love the fact, like I said, it's frosted here. So, and I need 2 of these kind of tops to go on, to fit on here. So that's the difference, but just 2 of these these 2 are for the bathroom, and this one's coming out the bathroom and gonna go into the kitchen, and I will set it right here. So see, it's clean lines, what I like. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, but let me go ahead and show you guys. I'll put the tea bag in there in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you my round of tea that I have for my friends. All right, guys, so that's all the peppermint. All of that there is for her. I have to put it in the bag. And I wanted to show y'all my daisies. Look at my daisies. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Look at that. They're so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, guys, it's getting ready to rain. We've been having a lot of rain here lately. Let me know in the comments, have you guys been getting a lot of rain? So, yeah, let me turn around and show you guys where I'm going to put the little terracotta plate. So that's where it's going to go. It's going to go on this one here with my beautiful ZZ plant. Yeah, guys, so let's head back in the kitchen. All right, y'all, it's lighter in here, but this is how you open the tea from the bottom. So what I'm saying is I'm just going to go ahead and put a tea bag in here, and I'm gonna let it sit outside, and that's gonna be all she wrote. So just like that, and then you can always add some cane syrup or something like that, whatever, you know, honey. I might do honey, y'all. I might do honey, but that's what it looks like. So you will set this outside in the sun, and I'm gonna try to catch it before the sun goes down. So yeah, guys, that's it. So guys, I'm gonna end this video. Like I said, y'all, learn how to be kind. It's pleasing to the soul, and that is just part of my life. And people be wondering, you know, when you disappear out of their lives and stuff, is something wrong? Nothing is wrong with you. It be something wrong with the people. Some people don't want to be around all that negativity. So guys, try your best to be a positive light, okay? In your family, at your work site, please, especially at work, because we need it. So guys, that's all I have to say. Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, be happy. Don't let nobody steal your joy or your happiness or your peace. Act silly, dance, do whatever you got to do that makes it good for you, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.